Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about weight gain. While many people struggle with losing weight, there are also those who struggle to gain weight, whether it's due to a fast metabolism or a lack of appetite. If you're someone who wants to put on some healthy weight, this video is for you. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to gain weight in a healthy and sustainable way, so let's get started. Section 1. Understanding weight gain. Firstly, it's important to understand that weight gain doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and consistency to put on healthy weight. You can't just eat one big meal and expect to gain weight. Instead, you need to be in a calorie surplus, which means you need to consume more calories than you burn. To figure out your calorie needs, you can use an online calculator that takes into account your age, gender, height, weight, and activity level. Once you know how many calories you need to consume, you can start tracking your food intake to make sure you're hitting your calorie goal every day. Section 2. Eating habits. Now let's talk about eating habits. If you're someone who struggles with a lack of appetite, it's important to find ways to make eating more enjoyable. This could mean eating more frequently throughout the day, having smaller meals and snacks, or incorporating more calorie-dense foods into your diet. Calorie-dense foods are those that have a high number of calories per serving, such as nuts, seeds, dried fruit, avocados, and nut butters. Adding these foods to your meals and snacks can help increase your calorie intake without making you feel too full. In addition to eating more calorie-dense foods, it's also important to focus on nutrient-dense foods. This means choosing foods that are high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods will help fuel your body and support overall health, which is important for long-term weight gain. Section 3. Exercise. While it may seem counterintuitive, exercise can actually help with weight gain. Resistance training, such as weightlifting or body weight exercises, can help build muscle mass, which is a healthy way to gain weight. Muscle is more dense than fat, so even though you may not see a significant increase on the scale, you may notice a difference in your body composition. In addition to resistance training, it's also important to incorporate some form of cardiovascular exercise into your routine, such as walking, jogging, or cycling. This will help improve your cardiovascular health and support overall fitness, which is important for long-term health and well-being. Section 4. Supplements. While supplements are not necessary for weight gain, they can be a helpful addition to a healthy diet and exercise routine. Some supplements that may support weight gain include protein powder. Adding protein powder to your meals or snacks can help increase your protein intake, which is important for building muscle mass. Creatine. This supplement has been shown to improve strength and muscle mass when combined with resistance training. Weight gainers. These supplements are high in calories and protein and are designed specifically for those looking to gain weight. However, it's important to note that supplements should not be used as a substitute for a healthy diet and exercise routine. They should only be used as a supplement to support your overall health and wellness goals. Section 5. Lifestyle changes. Finally, making small lifestyle changes can also support healthy weight gain. Some things you can do include getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to support overall health and well-being. Managing stress. Stress can impact